Welcome to CAD/CAM learning tutorial. In this tutorial, I will explain the cryoparametric syllabus. It is the very important for the who learn cryoparametric. Okay, this is the cryoparametric syllabus in depth. Okay, total syllabus in a 17 hour, but I am explaining this syllabus in this manner. Introduction to cryoparametric basic modeling process. Introduction to the cryoparametric basic modeling process. In cryoparametric basic modeling process. Understanding the cryoparametric concept. Understanding the solid modeling concept. Understanding the feature based concept. Understanding the parametric concept. Understanding the associative concept. Understanding the model centric concept. Recognizing file extension. If you want to uh, save this, click this and take a short screen. So I will go slowly. Using this cryoparametric interference, understanding the main interferences, understanding the folder browser, understanding the web browser, understanding the ribbon interface, setting the working directory and opening saving file, managing file in a cryoparametric. This is the very important. If you know very well in a syllabus, then you will got your goal. Okay, so let's sketch. I will explain all the sketch and sheet metal, part modeling, drafting. I will explain all the tutorials. First I will explaining the syllabus. So be carefully, listen carefully. Okay. Create a sketcher geometry, reviewing sketcher theory, understanding the design intent, modifying the sketcher display, utilizing the constant, sketching line, sketching center line, sketching rectangle, sketching circle, sketching arcs, sketching circular fillets and chamfer. This way. Using the sketcher tool, understanding constraint, construction geometry theory, sketching point, using geometry tools within a sketcher, manipulating sketches within a sketcher, dimensioning entities within a sketcher, modifying dimensioning within a sketcher conflicts, placing section into a sketcher. Go to the next. Creating a sketch for feature, creating a sketch. So this way. Advanced sketching, using the sketch curve, sketching ellipse, sketching elliptical fillet, sketching the splines, modifying splines, basic advance, into importing and exporting spline point, sketching conics, sketching text, analyzing sketcher convert option, analyzing sketcher dimension option, sketching diagnostic tools. Okay. Part. Inside the part modeling, I will cover this topic. Creating extrude, revolve, ribs, creating a solid extrude feature, create adding the taper to extrude feature, common dashboard option, extrude depth, common dashboard option, feature direction, common dashboard option, thicken sketch, creating solid revolve feature, common dashboard option, revolve angle, automatically adding and removing material, creating rib feature. And next, using the cryoparametric interference is the very important interferences. Using the cryoparametry, this is the fundamental. Understanding basic display option, analyzing the basic 3D orientation, understanding the view manager, creating and managing view orientation, creating a style state using the view manager, understanding the basic color and appearance option, setting of a new part models. Okay, let's see. Selecting and editing, understanding the Creo parametric basic controls using the drag handles and dimension draggers, using the keyboard shortcut, understanding the model tree, selecting the item using the direction selection item using the query selection multiple components using the search tool, understanding the selection filter, remaining object, editing feature, regenerating, activating and editing models, deleting and suppressing item. Okay, see, creating a datum feature planes and axis, creating a datum feature theory, creating a datum axis, creating a datum planes utilizing the internal sketch embasses datum, creating a internal sketch, creating a embasses datum feature. Next, creating a sweep and blend. It is a very important sweep and blend in Creo parametry. Creating a sweep with trajectory, creating a sweep with closed trajectory, analyzing the sweep feature attributes, creating a parallel band protrusion or cut, experimenting with a parallel band attributes, analyzing the parallel band advanced bands, creating the rotational blend precision cut, analyzing the rotational band attribute, advanced selection, advanced chance selection, advanced surface selection. This way, creating a hole and cell. This is a very important common dashboard option. Depth, hole depth, creating a coaxial holes, creating a linear hole, creating a radial and diameter hole, exploring hole profile option, creating a cell feature. Okay, this is a very depth in syllabus. Okay, Q parametry. So this video will be very important for Creo designer. Advanced hole creation, creating a standard holes, creating a sketch holes, creating a on a point hole, lightweight hole, cosmic thread, advanced cell, analyzing cell, the reference thickness option, extruding surface from cell, extending cell surface, analyzing the cell corner option, creating a rounds and chamfer, creating a rounds by selecting edge, creating a rounds by selecting a surface and edge, creating a rounds by selecting two surface, creating a full round, creating a full round set, creating a chamfer by selecting edge, creating a chamfer set. Okay, let's see. Advanced round and chamfer, analyzing the round profile, analyzing the round creation method, creating a rounds throughout, so on. This way, draft is the basic, creating a draft feature. So let's see, variable selection slip, helical sweep, sweep blend, advanced datum feature. Inside this point, all the point are here. Creating a pattern, directional pattern in the first direction. Advanced pattern. Group, copy, mirror tools. Measuring, inspecting model. If you cover this all the topic, you will achieve your goal 100%, be sure. Advanced reference management. So watch this video till end. Advanced layer. Assembly. In this assembly with a constraint, understanding the assembly theory, creating a new assembly models, understanding constraint theory, understanding the assembly constraint status, so on. exploding assembly, creating a managing exploding status, creating an offset line between exploded components. Surfacing, this is the surfacing. Okay. Surfacing feature, creating a surface feature, editing surface feature in a Creo parametric, copying the surface, mirroring the surface, trimming the surface, merging the surface, creating the fill surface, creating the interferencing curve, creating an offset surf, giving thickness to a surface, converting a surface into solid. Drafting is the very important. Creating drawing view, analyzing the drawing concept and theory, analyzing the basic 2D orientation, creating a new drawing and applying formats, creating a orientation general view, adding creating a drawing view, creating a cross-sectional view, creating a details view, creating a auxiliary view, creating a 2D cross-section view, creating a new drawing using the drawing template, modifying drawing view, creating assembly and exploded view, creating details. This is the creating drawing details. Creating using a flexible component, adding the flexible component, placing a flexible component and assembly, adding a flexible already placed component using the flexible parameter, this way using the assembly feature, understanding the assembly feature, creating a assembly cut, creating a assembly holes, replacing the component in assembly, understanding the component replacement component using the family table, replacing component using the reference model, replacing component using by copy, replacing unrelated components, understanding the interferences assembly, replacing using a functional interchanges assembly, creating a cross-sectional display style and combined view, understanding assembly cross-section, creating a planar assembly cross-section, creating an offset assembly cross-section, creating a zone assembly cross-section, creating a display style, creating a combined view. Sheet metal is the very important in a Creo parametric. Introduction to a sheet metal design, the sheet metal design environment, sheet metal parts, design approach, primary wall type, creating the first wall, secondary and unattached wall, type of a secondary wall, creating an unattached wall, secondary wall with a relief, band lines, unband, band back and cut, the unband regular feature, the band back feature, creating sheet metal cut, notch and punch, creating punch knot UDF, placing punch and notch feature. This way sheet metal form. Okay, take a short screen. This way sheet metal drawing with a flat status and band order. Flexible modeling, understanding the flexible modeling basic, apply the section and tools, utilizing the editing and transformation, working with a recognize, using the propagation and other editing feature. This is the my YouTube channel CAD/CAM learning tutorial. If you want to more video in a Creo parametric, go to my channel and see all the video which is helpful for your goal achievement. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.